What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, Dogecoin did just not get rejected from this resistance up here, but we still have some good stuff that could possibly form up here inside of Dogecoin. Anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you like these automated trading indicators and you want them for yourself, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Let's get started with Dogecoin now. As you can see on the oscillator here, coming off this area, this was an oversold area. But the only reason we became oversold and sold so hard is because we came out of an overbought area. So look, we were overbought here with Dogecoin. And the only reason why we were overbought is because we came off this oversold area. It's because people just keep getting scared. They see the price, high, and they're like, oh my gosh, it's never going to go any higher. And then they sell and then they make it go lower. And then the same thing happens when they see it go very low. They're like, oh my gosh, this is a buying opportunity. And they buy back in. So you can see the red areas being our supply and demand, and then the green areas on the bottom down here being our supply and demand of high demand. So up here, low demand, down here, high demand. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here with Dogecoin. Now, you can see over here, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. So that's definitely pretty good that we're 60% bullish with Dogecoin. All we got to do is take another chance of reversal and actually have another reversal here. So right now, it definitely looks like this is going to be the bottom of the current oversold downtrend. As you can see here on the oscillator, it's starting to flatten out. The curve is starting to flatten out, meaning it's about to go back on the upside, and then we're about to try to retest that resistance. Hopefully, we can break out of the resistance after retesting it, and hopefully, we can get some good stuff going on here with Dogecoin now. So let's scroll out of here and go look at this article from FX Street. So they said Dogecoin to outperform Shiba Inu with a 60% breakout soon. So Dogecoin price develops a trifecta of bullish entry conditions. Short sellers fail to capitalize on setting off a capitalization move, and downsiders risks while limited do remain. So while limited, it does remain. So anyways, Dogecoin price action has certainly been a disappointment for the Doge army. It definitely has. A lot of people in the Doge army are mad about this. They're like, wow, we just been doing nothing for like the last half of the year. So the thing I want to say about this is Dogecoin always lags like this. Like it has huge rallies for like a month or so, and then out of nowhere, like from months on in, it does nothing, literally nothing. It'll like go down, 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 go sideways, but no uptrends whatsoever, nothing exciting. It always happens like this in Dogecoin. I remember even back in 2017, like it was doing the same thing. Like Dogecoin was doing the same thing back in 2017. I was in Dogecoin in 2017. Like you can check everywhere. I was in there. And like anyways, 2018, 2019, like I was in Dogecoin those times for those Robinhood days where we used to see multiple zeros on Dogecoin. I used to be in there. I didn't have much Dogecoin, and I actually ended up selling out and missing a whole huge rally, but I was in there. But anyways, Dogecoin's always been doing this. So yeah, Dogecoin lost nearly 34% of its value in November, which is likely to change very soon. So that's a good statement right there. Now, Dogecoin price action traps short sellers, creating huge short squeeze opportunity. So Dogecoin price has a tremendous buying opportunity set up on its 001 3-box reversal and figure chart. So the theoretical long setup is a buy stop order at 21 cents, which is 0.218, with a stop loss at 0.214 and a profit target at 0.351, which is 35 cents. So the entry, if confirmed, completes 3 conditions simultaneously. Now, an entry at 218, which is 21 cents, confirms the breakout above a triple top that formed at the 21 cent area, which is 217.217. And then over here, the entry at 0.218 confirms a bullish point figure pattern known as a bear trap. So they're saying there was a bear trap here with Dogecoin. So over here, you can see the entry moves Dogecoin price above the current dominant downtrend angle and converts the 0.001 3-box reversal in figure chart into a bull market. So over here, this is what they're looking at here. I don't usually look at the technicals from this perspective, but they do a lot, and they do some good predictions based off of what they can do on here. But anyways, despite the bullish positioning for Dogecoin, there is a possibility of a powerful short setup that would invalidate the above theoretical long entry. So Dogecoin does have a split triple bottom pattern on its chart. The hypothetical short entry is a sell stop order at 0.212, a stop loss order at 0.217, and a profit target at 0.153. So a lot of short sellers trying to get here. So the profit target is derived from the horizontal profit target method in point and figure analysis. Now, down here, you can see more stuff with Doge. However, the probability of the profit target on the hypothetical short trade idea is low. So bears have had a myriad of opportunities to generate substantial sell-offs of Dogecoin over the past 60 days, but have been unable or unwilling to do so. So additionally, downside risks are probably limited to the prior support lows near 18 cents. So they're saying, look, these Dogecoin bears, all these short sellers, they had the opportunity to make Dogecoin go down below the 18 cent support, but they haven't done it yet. They haven't been able to do it because the Doge army is so strong, they won't sell for nothing. The Doge army is so strong, they continue to buy the dip with Dogecoin. So a lot of these people who are like short sellers and bears, they're trying to take Dogecoin down, but they just can't do it because the rest of the Dogecoin army, the rest of the Doge army is making sure Doge stays up. So shout out to the Doge army for that. Now, over here, you can see Dogecoin is creating a good buying opportunity for investors. A lot of people are seeing the buying opportunities that are starting up with Dogecoin. So over here, you can see at this time of writing Dogecoin technical analysis, the price of Doge is around 22 cents. Since July, it has been consolidating in the range between 18 cents to 31 cents. We could say that these are the support and resistance. So yes, 18 cents is definitely support, and then 31 cents is definitely major resistance. So in May, Dogecoin reached its all-time high of 74 cents, blah, blah, blah. Then over here, you can see on the daily chart, it is standing at the support travel. It will go up to the resistance level. However, we need to analyze the Dogecoin price chart to identify its trend. So they are analyzing Dogecoin's price, and right here they see if it goes up, the Doge price will face resistance on the levels of 26 cents. So if we actually break out where we're at right now, 26 cents would be our next resistance. So it'd probably be almost effortless for us to continue to like get up to 26 cents like after we break this resistance here. So after we break this minor resistance that we've been trying to get past, the 22 cents, then we can finally get up to the 26 cent area with Dogecoin. So we do have a lot of different stuff to try to break through here at Doge, but we just got to keep staying strong because honestly, a lot of people that like to talk about Dogecoin in a bad way, those are typically the people that are invested in like Bitcoin, and they're like all Bitcoin, only Bitcoin. But yeah, or stuff like Ethereum. But I like Ethereum, but I don't invest in Bitcoin personally because I think it's just too expensive, and it's just not much opportunities for people with smaller amounts of money. But anyways, let's go over this Dogecoin pricing. So right now we're down 1.3% for the last 24 hours. Not too bad. 2.2% in the last 7 days. Not too bad. We're trying to take back some of those gains that we lost previously in the week, and we're actually doing that. So hopefully we can keep taking those gains back. But yeah, you can still see Dogecoin is still down in the last 30 days. Dogecoin has still been pretty stagnant in the last 90 days. The highest that our price has been in the last 90 days is 32 cents. Lowest our price has been in the last 90 days is about 19 cents around there. So even the same in the last 180 days, we've really been stagnant, really been staying near the same areas, near the same prices. So hopefully we can break out soon because the Doge army is getting fed up. So I definitely want to see us break out soon. Anyways, let's look at our whales and look at the buying opportunities that they see and the dip that they're doing. So over here, this Dogecoin whale bought in at 70. They bought in Dogecoin at 20 cents, and they came in with $75.5 million earlier today. Or I mean yesterday, not earlier today, yesterday. They came in with a whole of $75.5 million. Now they have $79.1 million. Now, whether or not they're going to sell that in buy mention, I don't know. They might do it, they might not. But this is just to show that the Dogecoin whales are buying the dip. I don't know if they're actually holding it, and I don't know if they're actually just trying to make profit off it, but I do know they are buying the dip here. So over here you can see this Dogecoin whale came in at $24.8 million, and now they have 25. This Dogecoin whale, they've been buying progressively, so they're definitely not going to sell just because they made a little bit of profit. So yesterday, they bought 21 million of Dogecoin. So, or 2.1 million really. So over here, this Dogecoin bill was the one that bought 21.5 million. So they bought 21.5 million yesterday. They're still holding it. So yeah, we still have these Dogecoin whales buying the dip in Dogecoin. They're still making sure that they can get as much profit as they can. So I definitely want to see more people buying the dip here. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Just letting you know exactly what's going on with Dogecoin. But anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.